These potatoes, right, the boat shipping. These potatoes are banging, bro. It's got a nice kick spice to it, like. Briefcase. Yeah. And mate Cherie mask. Meant to go take a swim, but it's getting a bit colder now. Still better than England. But yeah man, we see what's gonna happen. But other than that, going to theirs for a meal. See how that transpires. The attire. Hand me down, got up my brother, Roger. Welcome, thanks.
I didn't realise how late it was when we were driving home. It was about 2:30.
Yeah.
We didn't get home till about 2:50, 3 o'clock.
Yeah, we didn't go to sleep till like 4. Tropicals, boy. Yeah. McDonald's. Get a McFlurry. They're just in the quickie mart, but left. So yeah, they're sorting us out, getting water. We all left water. Elliot left his water. Left his wallet. Left goggles. So yeah, man. If you make kind sale, if you grab the madam and the madam was there. Yeah, alright, cool. Let's do this. They love my work. Yeah, souvenir. Back, gonna have a quick shower and that, get all the proper sand and all that off. That's a nice background, boy. Anyway, Cherie Mar's gone to go and get some shopping, and then we will man's run the shower. Then we'll go and join them. They'll pick us up, and then we'll go and get something to eat with them. Background's banging though. So yeah, man, catch you in a bit. Right, I'm gonna have to hop the balcony. My vest is falling over. If I was a 4th dimensional being, I'll be able to go like that. Boom, grab it through the what do you call it? Begins with P.
Starts with P.
Not perception. I'll be able to grab it like that. Boom, even though I'm not near it. What's it called? I can't remember, man. I can't remember. The floor is lava. I could have done a smoother jump, but I did not. It's crazy dark right now. It's like the darkest and the coldest it's been today. Well, I mean, throughout the whole holiday. But it's still warm though. And yeah, I was recording. The bars was coming to me in the shower, really. So I was recording, that's why I'm late at surgery. But yeah, man, we'll be down there in a minute. Miles, I'm coming. barely see. That was me tripping up on the ground because man can't see. And there's a stain on this thing, it was my blood. There's a murder scene shave. There's somewhere there. Catch you in a bit. It's artistic. No.
The Japanese dessert.
No.
They're like,
I think I've had it, yeah.
yeah?
Mochi balls.
Yeah, we're gonna get that for dessert.
Okay, yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. So it's made with rice flour,
Okay.
and it's like a gelatinous, and then a coating. Yeah, it's like a ball, and then inside it's ice cream.
Okay.
Oh, ice cream inside.
This one's ice cream because some of them aren't on.
Yeah, I haven't had the one with the ice cream.
Yeah,
so I had
these are
inside.
really nice.
Hey, the food, Mars, 10 out of 10. Alright, it was lovely, man. My memory ran out, otherwise I would have showcased your fine cuisine. Now this, apparently they say this is the business, mate. We're gonna find out what this pistachio, gimascio nonsense is all about.
Stick it in your mouth.
So as
Stick
you
it in
see,
hole.
I think this is the one I saw on the YouTube, and it was pounding it and all of that. Adding the water, pounding, folding, pounding. Pounding and mashing. Alright, let's give this one a little. Let's give this one a wallop. Let's give this one a wallop. So you see, you got the green balls. Looks a bit like pounded yam. Very doughy texture. Wish me luck. Yeah. I do rather the coconut one. I must say. To be honest, I was actually meant to hope with the reply because you said it was refreshing, good for the palate. So not bad though.
Yeah, give it another bite.
I'll let it go. Go for it, son. It's not too bad, you know. You like things that are green, don't you? Yeah.
What do you think?
What's your review?
He looks hesitant.
There's a very strong pistachio flavour.
It's intense, isn't it? It's rich.
He's just being kind, yeah. No, but it's nice. Well, yeah. It's good, yeah. So again, Mocho Mango. It's Mocho Mango, but it's not for the Mocho Man though. Let's see what,
It's bit too fruity for me, mate.
yeah, a little bit too fruity, you know. I don't really swing that way, man. You ready, you know? Alright. Bottoms up, wish you luck. Real pucker.
That's proper, mate.
Yeah, that's proper, mate. See what you mean by it's refreshing? It's got that sharp kick, like a mango, you know. Kicking like Bruce Lee, a little bit of Jet Li.
Elliot, do you want to try it?
Give it a go, give it a go. Love. Not fruity though. A lot of sharp taste. It's like crime in London, it's sharp. Yeah.
Still the mango, the coconut one, the cocoa one. I'm in love with the cocoa. Yeah, yeah. So, in love with the cocoa.